Om Shanti. I am Ingersoll, a group director in Indian Space Research Organization, working with the systems reliability of the spacecraft propulsion systems at Bangalore. And I am here at Mount Abu for a spiritual conference on spirituality in researchers, the 13th conference organized by the Brahma Kumaris movement. I came here as a seeker for spirituality, a man of science, trying to understand what is spirituality. And also I have been practicing Raja Yoga myself for the past few years, and connecting science and spirituality and space, whether they are having any common links. That was my spirit with which I came here, and I was here at the conference for the 4 days, and basically I believe that science is an offshoot of spirituality, and spirituality encompasses the whole cosmic vision, wherein even the human visions are minuscule. And I believe in science and technology to uplift the humankind, to bring a social economic development to the masses of this nation. And we are joining with, or I am personally joining with the Brahma Kumaris movement to have a spiritual mind, so that the job of me as a scientist can be performed in a better way. And I believe that this life is gifted to all of us, and we should be very grateful, we should be very honest, and we should all do our duty in a very honest way, and then that to uplift this country, which is a very holy country. And our job here has been made easy, or rather facilitated, to do my job of serving the masses of this country by a spiritual inclination, which I started having a few years ago. And I am very thankful to the Brahma Kumaris movement, and especially the spark wing of the Brahma Kumaris movement, to continue to unite the researchers of this country and even from abroad, to share our thoughts and how spirituality can bring in harmony to the people, the harmony for the nation, and also by through research and science, and how spirituality can combine together to bring a better world. Today the world has got a lot of problems, in terms of poverty, in terms of climatic changes, in terms of imbalance among the people, and the economic criteria of the world is also towards the support of individuals, people remaining separate, people working against the nature. All these things can change if people in their day-to-day work, whatever the work they do, they can have some spiritual practices by way of whatever meditational practices we can do. I feel that that will enable every one of us to make the world a better place for all of us to live, and also our future generations to live.